Cop pulled me over for having a dirty Jeep, took his ass to court, and won. I refused to pay for a car wash. I have a 2015 Jeep Wrangler, and I love taking it off-road. It gets covered in mud, and I think it looks awesome. One day, I was driving home from work when I got pulled over by a cop. I was confused because I wasn't speeding or doing anything wrong. The cop came up to my window and told me he pulled me over because my car was too dirty. I thought he was joking, but he wasn't. He said it was a safety hazard because my license plate was covered in mud, and he couldn't read it. I told him I had just come back from a trip and hadn't had a chance to wash it yet. He didn't care and gave me a ticket. I was furious. I went home and looked up the law. Sure enough, there was a law that said your license plate had to be visible at all times. I thought it was ridiculous, but I didn't want to pay the ticket, so I went to court to fight it. I showed up with pictures of my car, and I explained to the judge that I had just come back from a trip and hadn't had a chance to wash it yet. The judge laughed and said he understood. He dismissed the ticket and told me to keep my car clean from now on. I still don't pay for car washes, but I make sure to wipe off my license plate after a trip.